yawned and tucked in tight. Duck flapped wings with pure delight. "Let's go splash," said Duck with cheer. Tortoise smiled, "But I stay here. My shell gets slippery, I might fall." Duck just giggled, "Don't fear at all." He grabbed a leaf so big and wide. "Here's an umbrella, come outside." Tortoise laughed, "You're quite a friend." And off they walked around the bend. Splash in puddles, slide in mud, quack and giggles, thump and thud. Rain kept falling, but they played on till clouds moved back and sun had shone. "Thanks, dear Duck," said Tortoise slow, "for making rainy fun just flow." Duck replied with friends so true, "There's nothing we can't safely do."